Hey, what up, guys? This is Day in the Life Part 2. I got my brother Justin here with me. I got my baby package. He made me a little. This is supposed to be for cooking, but I'm definitely putting screws and tools in here. But yeah, so today we have a couple repairs. We have to repair some steps, install a soap dispenser in the mirror. After that, we have to paint 2 porches, and then I think the last one, I don't know if they're gonna stick through or not, but we have also a gazebo, a small one, to finish up the day, and then from there, we're all done. Alright, so this is done. Alright, yeah, so here I'm removing the old soap dispenser. Like the old soap dispenser had like thick like amounts of soap on the side of it. Like it was real crazy like how the soap dispenser was. And I was thinking I had to use like a wrench or something to get this off, but I just had to, just wedge it out of there, and it was taking so long to just remove that little screw off of there, but I got it done. I got that out of there. Alright, so the mirror is done, and the soap dispenser, we have to go get it because I thought they already had one, but they didn't. So we have to repair steps here. We have to repair that one right there, and also this one right here, and that's it. So we're going to Home Depot now, but we're actually going to Lowe's. It's not these steps not available at Home Depot, so we're going to Lowe's. We'll be right back. Alright, so we're leaving from Lowe's now. We got a few boards that we need right there. They're actual just steps, like literally steps for the deck. That's all we need right there. I didn't even know they made those. And the soap dispenser, that's all we need. So we're on our way back to the customer now. So like I mentioned in the beginning, I actually had 3 jobs today. The last one was a gazebo. I don't know if this was going to stick through or not, but I was not expecting this. Like I literally came in, like the quote was to remove this, literally just the top steps and replace them. That's it, remove and replace. Now when I was taking this off, y'all can see it right there. Like I was just literally moving the whole damn step, so I knew something was wrong. Y'all can see this cracks in this actual, like the stingers. And this thing was just all warped up, and it wasn't even connected to anything. It was just hanging there. But it took some time to take everything off. Like I really wasn't trying to take all these rails off and all that in the third, but we did what we had to do to get this done. So we got this right here. We're gonna scrape this right off of here. And then just wet it. Underneath is cool. This is the new soap dispenser. All the parts. So this is go up top just like that, and then for the bottom, you good? Then for the bottom, it has a rubber and also this brown piece here, and this is the nut. And you might need to hold that sturdy, but I think you're good. Alright, the whole thing. Have to get under here. God damn it.
Put your hand on top of it.
I can't touch that. Okay. I'm on it. Let me know if you're there. I'm there. Alright. I'm gonna move it over something a little bit. Right there. There's no holes up there, right? You don't see no holes on the sides or anything? No. Perfect. Alright. I wish I would have took a picture of the old soap bottle, but y'all can see right there a little bit how dirty it was, like clogged up, like amounts of soap on there or something. I don't know what happened, but I definitely wore gloves to get this off. You know what she puts in here? So go ahead and just fill it up. I mean, she can fill it up on the top. Yeah, you should be good. Yeah. But then it drips all over the side.
Well, we gotta make it. If it's gonna drip over the side, then
yeah, might as well do it right now. Along the 5 years of me changing faucets and anything under the sink, I learned that just getting under there is the easiest way to do it, not just trying to reach under there with a tool. That just makes it harder. So I literally just get under there like a damn mechanic under a car.
Okay, then. Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we just replaced this one. This one's completely fine now. But over here we have to replace everything. So we took off the rails, all the vinyl stuff. And over here we have to replace everything. See this right here? So you can see it's about to crack right there. It's all split. So it's not even attached any longer. And it needs hangers, so that's what we're about to get right now. Alright, so I wasn't able to record everything because the phone died, but almost wrapping it up. I just gotta just put the top steps and then we're out of here. So I'm gonna continue to show you guys the top. Okay. And mind y'all, this is like 90-degree weather out here. So, you know, when you work in 90-degree weather, you really just working. You don't even realize that you're getting a headache or getting tired, dehydrated, especially if you love what you do. So this is me here, like, I'm thinking like, all right, I'm about to finish this job, then I'm gonna go up to like an hour away and paint 2 porches. There's no way in hell I was doing that. So, yeah. And you see me cutting here, these 2 blocks here. I'm literally using the square because this is just 2 more supporting blocks that I wanted to add on there. But yeah, they didn't need to be perfect. What did it hurt? All right, it is all done. We got this stuff over here. We're all done for the day, and actually we did not get to the gazebo today, so it is what it is. So now we're on our way home. So we only did 1 job, so the first job ended up taking up all day, so that's why we're on our way home now. But we have multiple jobs today. It is what it is. We're done. We go home.